pray. The Son, the Holy Spirit. Bless us, O Lord. Bon appetit! Start eating now. Start the boodle fight. Is this your first time to have this? This is your first time Pablo try to eat like this, boodle fight. Alright. First time din mo, Riley? Think you boodle fight good? Kailangan bukod ang food that you prepare, ha?